and then we're gonna scroll up. Okay, it's a little bit. Hi people with the spirit of learning, welcome back to my video. My name is Angga from Indonesia, and yeah, today we're gonna learn about the scroll gesture from this screen splash screen to the send in with the animation. Okay, so if you are interested, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I have prepared two assets. This is for you that you can use. Just check in the video's description. I have provided the download link. Alright, so we're gonna create a new Android Studio project. So here we talk about space blues. Okay, and next and next, and then with the empty activity, next and finish. And yeah, I think we close first for Java. We're gonna work on that later on. So first of all, you have to import the assets that I have provided for you. Just check in the video's description. So I'm going to use the biggest one, I think. No, this is, yeah, just copy, and then you're gonna paste onto the drawable. And after that, we don't need the action bar, so in the styles you have to replace with the no action bar in the styles. And for the colors, yeah, for the status bar, I think we're gonna make it dark like this. So hopefully that we can try to make dark. So you can click here and just like this. Okay, and it little cool, right? And after that, what we gonna do, Angga? Right, so we have to remove this hello world because I think I don't need. And then I'm going to setting the background actually. So actually that I want to setting background here, which is the background space. Okay, right, and then after that we give the text field wrap content. So don't forget to put the ID. This is TV1. Okay, and then after that I will take a look. Properties is 42 and bold and white color is journey journey makes you stronger. Okay, and then for the text size is 42 sp, and then for the color is white. Okay, and then I have to setting the margin left, the margin start is 30. Okay, and then for the layout width we have to setting it to become 200. This is 200. Okay, and then we have to setting margin start, sorry, margin top is 30. Okay, cool. So we have this, and after that we need another text field. Okay, this is for the raw content, and then the ID is TV2. Okay, and for the properties is white, 14 and regular. Okay, so text color, and then after that text is scroll for details information. Okay, and then text size is 16 sp, and we're gonna move here below of here and then here. Okay, so for margin start we setting 30, and then after that for the margin top we setting 14. Okay, now we're gonna test first into the emulator. And yeah, this is nice. So if we scroll, it will change to the another activity. How do we do that? Yeah, we're gonna use gesture and we're gonna use animation. Okay, so first of all, I have to design another screen, another activity. So you're going Java and then click right to create a new activity, which is empty activity, and here you can use send activity. Okay, and finish. And after that, you're going back to the activity main, select all of them and replace it into the activity scene. Okay, but here you have to remove this because I think we don't need this, and this one we change to the sign in 22 sp. Okay, or you can use 26 sp to make it bigger. And this is supposed to be not TV1 but TV3. Okay, and then this is supposed to be raw content, and yeah, I'm going to put it in the middle. Okay, so I think I have to check this first also, and yeah, I think margin start is supposed to be normal like margin end. So here 8 dp. Okay, okay, and we have to change this to background scene. Okay, so it's like blurry, you know, right? And after that, if we go back to the design, that we have this edit text and button. Okay, so here we have to make edit text. Just use how long is this? 250 and 45. And then we have to setting hint actually for the username. Okay, and we need the background, so I'm going to drawable to make my own background, so you can follow me. This is background fill. Okay, then after that we change the selector to become shape, and two properties that we have to setting is the solid color. Okay, and the secondly is the corner with the radius is 8 dp. So if you come back over here, background is drawable background fill, you will get what we need here. So just setting the padding left to 12 dp. Okay, and after that we just move here. Alright guys, it's so nice. So we can move, oops, and move here, and then we setting like this. Okay, alright, so we need another here. So first of all, I'm giving ID which is ed1 edit text. Okay, and we need another, so hopefully that we just want to copy from here. But first of all, don't forget to setting the type, the input type. This is input type for text. Okay, and we're gonna copy this edit text actually that, and you have to remove this, and then I'm going to ed1, but this is for the password. Sorry, password. Yeah, you can use text password or number password. I prefer number password. So here I'm going to make like this, but this is actually for the password. So here you have to setting here pin, okay, or you can use password, doesn't matter, just for the preview only. Yeah, just for the demo purpose. Okay, and the last one, we need the button, but here in the send in we have to move to the middle just like this. Okay, so right now we need to make a button below here. So in the edit text, after edit text, you make a button. So the button is same 250 dp with 45 dp. Okay, and then you have to setting the text supposed to be ready to go, and after that you setting the text color, and text style is bold, and all caps is false. Okay, and text size is 18 sp. Okay, and we have to give this button a background. So if you come to background file, just copy, and then you make another drawable here, background button. Okay, and you're going to the text, and this is we gonna get the hex code from here. Just copy, and you got right, but oops. Okay, nice. So this is, you can use a background button. Boom, so nice. Okay, and suddenly I couldn't move this button, so I have to go to design, and you can move from here. I don't know why suddenly I can't move. And then setting the margin N, and then setting the margin start, and move. Okay, so from the send in we make to the middle. Alright, cool. So how do we preview this design? Oh, okay, so in the main activity we have to give the gesture to come to this activity. Okay, so here we have to implement gesture detector is the gesture listener, and then gesture detector is gesture on double tap listener. Okay, and you click here to implement those methods. Boom. Okay, so we have this. So if on scroll here I want to change to the another activity, which is intent intent A is, wait, new intent. Okay, main activity this to the same activity class. Okay, and start activity is A. Alright, so we have to import intent. So in the on scroll, okay, and after that we have to setting first in here the variable for the gesture. Okay, so we have to declare a new variable here. So before override, you have to detector compat, okay, and detector compat. Okay, and after that you going to the here when the app's ready to use is the gesture compat, new gesture detector compat, and then this and this. Okay, and after that you have to set the event like this and this. Okay, and then here before on the single tap confirm, you have to declare a new method. So just press Control N or Command N on your keyboard, and then implement method. Control N and then override methods, and you search for OnTouch event here. Okay, and OK, and after that, and hit gesture compat is the OnTouch event, and you passing the parameter event from here. Okay, so how do we test? So first of all, I want to test into here. So I want to copy this text view, and here I will register the text view. Okay, and after that is the text view, find RID. Okay, so if I single tap, the text view is supposed to change to the set text to become maybe it's changing. Okay, so this is the single tap. Okay, so if scroll is changed to the new intent, so we're gonna start. So if I single tap, it's supposed to changing like this, right? And if I scroll, supposed to change to this activity, right? Nice, but we still missing the animation here, so perhaps that we can do this. Ready to go, and yeah, that's it. So if you scroll, it's changed to the another activity. Nice, but we want to make animation here, so let's get started. So I'm going to the RES to make animation here. So we will have kind of the animation, so we have to prepare a lot. So for the animation, first of all is the to go. Okay, so to go, we're gonna use this to go. Sorry guys, I have to make new folder first. Okay, so this is to goes. Okay, and means that we're gonna use this animation in the ActiveMan. So if I scrolling this design, so this one is supposed to appear, supposed to be gone with this animation. So yeah, we have to setting to goes. So we setting the translate from 0 to the -100% p, and duration. Okay, and after that you play with alpha. So alpha for alpha 1 to 0.0, and duration longer than translate. Okay, so we're going back to the main activity, and then we register this animation to ghost, and then here you setting to ghost animation util load animation. This anim are to ghost. Okay, so if I scroll or if I click first, here's start animation to ghost. Okay, and let's try first. So if I single tap, it goes. Alright, so I want to put in scroll here. Okay, and then what we're gonna do right now is to register this text view, because we want to make them gone. Okay, so in the text field here, and then you have another text field, and then here just replace like this. Okay, oh sorry, this is single tap. We supposed to put in the scroll event gesture. Okay, so we try. So if I scroll up, it goes and then change to here, right? But you couldn't see the tile of here because we are changing the activity. So right now I want to make sure for we have slight animation between those activities. So in turn we supposed to use the override pending transition. This is for the animation to the top and to the bottom. Okay, so right now just forget this first, just forget it, we don't need this first. Okay, and then in the two goes we check first. So we don't need alpha, so we can copy, and then into anim we gonna make this is to coming in. So if you see this ent, there's the animation to come out, and you see enter anim and ent exit anim. Yeah, so we have to prepare to in. We don't need alpha, so here supposed to with the y delta, and we're gonna copy this, and then in the anim, new anim again to out. Okay, into to out we have to setting this to -100% pure, and this is 0. Okay, so here we have to register again. This is for the to in and to out. Okay, so we have to replace this, and we're gonna copy this. Yeah, I know it's little hard, but you have to try this. So we use override pending. This is for the animation. RID anim is, first of all you have to in, and then R anim to out. Okay, so I think we can try. So we're gonna test is it working or not. Just scroll for the information, scroll, and then wow, it's bugging. Okay, so it doesn't working. So what if we change it to out, and we change it to in. Okay, so we try again. Okay, so we scroll. Oh, it's still not working. So I'm gonna find out how do we make it smooth, and I think we have to change over here. So this is supposed to 100%. I think we have to setting to 100% here, but this is supposed to 0. Okay, and we're gonna copy this, and then in here we have to setting minus here, but we have to switch. So here from y delta this is to in, from y delta 100% p and to y delta 0, and here we have to make it 0, and this is 100 but minus. Okay, it's like different, you see. Okay, and yeah, let's try again. I hope it's gonna be working. Okay, so if we scroll, wow, it's still bug. So I have to setting to in, and this is we change again to out. Okay, and we play again. Yeah, if we scroll, wow, nice. So Viola, cool man. Yeah, so this is how do we make the gesture scroll for login in the Android Studio for the user interface design. You should proud to yourself. But why is it long? Because we setting this to 1000. So if we setting to 600, I think it's gonna be faster. 600 for the duration. Okay guys, so yeah, nice. So this is from between activity that we have been designed, and this is the result. I am going to open again here to the space blues. Okay, oh, we should moving back space blues. Okay, and then we're gonna scroll up. Okay, it's little bit slowly because I think the emulator, if you're testing in the real device, it's gonna be okay. Okay, try again. Cool. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. And yeah, nice to meet you from Indonesia. Good morning, this is 5 AM, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna be useful for you. Thank you guys. Don't forget to put your comment, and don't forget to download the assets in the video's description. See you in the next time. Have a nice day.